Good morning, class. Welcome to another learning session in general mathematics. Last time, you were able to represent real-life situations using rational functions. For today, our main topic is about rational functions, equations, and inequalities. In particular, you are expected to distinguish rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. For definition, a rational expression is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. So we have your examples: x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 4. This is rational expression because the numerator is actually polynomial and the denominator is also polynomial. Take note, for it to become polynomial, the exponents of the variable should be positive integer. In this case, we have 2 and we have 1 right here as the exponents. So for the example number 2, this is also rational expression because the numerator and the denominator are both polynomials. The numerator is of degree 0. Number 3 is an example of rational expression because the numerator is a polynomial of degree 2. The leading coefficient is 1 right here, and the denominator is also polynomial. But on number 4, the square root of x plus 1 all over x cubed minus 1 is not actually rational expression because the numerator, the variable x, is put inside the radical symbol. In this case, the numerator is not polynomial. And here we have the last example. Actually, this is the quantity 1 over x plus 2 all over x minus 2 can be rewritten this form, 1 over the product of x plus 2 and x minus 2. So the numerator and the denominator are both rational expression. Right. So we will be needing the idea of rational expression to define what is a rational equation, rational inequality, and rational function. So a rational equation is an equation involving rational expressions. So you have there the term equation, so therefore it is expected that there should be equal symbol. So notice that we have actually, this one is rational expression, this one is also rational expression, this one is also rational expressions. So if it is an equation involving rational expressions, therefore this is rational equation. Now what about rational inequality? So this is an inequality, so expect that you have this inequality symbols. So we have greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Those are inequality symbols involving rational expression. So notice that the one expression on the left is rational expression, ratio of two polynomials, and on the right, this is also rational expression because this is a ratio of two polynomials. Now what about rational function? A rational function is of the form f of x, so it has to be written this form. It is an equation in the very first place. It is a ratio of two polynomials, p of x and q of x. Again, p of x and q of x are polynomials, and q of x is not the zero function. So these are examples: f of x, or you can also write in terms of f of x, you can also write y. So determine whether the given is rational function, rational equation, rational inequality, or none of this, meaning none of the three. We cannot classify them as function, rational equation, and rational inequality. For letter A, we have y is equal to 5x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So letter A, this is clear to be rational function because this is an equation, and at the same time we have variable y right here. Letter B, this is clear to be rational equation. So rational equation. Now what about letter C? The square root of x minus 2 is equal to 4. So take note, this is not actually a polynomial. This one, the square root of x minus 2 is not polynomial, so automatically we cannot classify it as either of the three. So none of this. None of these. For letter D, we have the quantity x minus 1 all over x plus 1 is equal to x cubed. This is very clear to be a rational equation. Letter E, so take note, we have actually square root of x. Square root of x can be written as x to the 1/2. In that case, the variable x has an exponent of, x has a fractional exponent. In that case, the numerator is not polynomial, so automatically none of these. For letter F, we have 6x minus 5 all over x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. This is clear to be rational inequality. Sorry, this is rational inequality. Correct. So there you go. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much.